Welcome to this All Amway channel. In this video we are going to talk about CLA 500. I am going to tell you about 20 benefits of consuming Nutrilite CLA 500. Stay to watch this video until the end. "20 benefits of consuming CLA 500.
Número 1.
Helps reduce accumulated fat while taking care of the muscles.
Número 2.
Converts fats into energy.
Número 3.
Helps reduce cellulite.
Número 4.
Helps lower blood pressure.
Número 5. Ayuda a reducir el colesterol en personas con niveles elevados de colesterol en sangre. Número 6.
Helps lower triglycerides.
Número 7.
Helps increase defenses in the immune system. This is because CLA 500 helps reduce inflammation in the body, which can improve the response of the immune system.
Número 8.
Collaborates with the nervous system.
Número 9.
Helps the circulatory system.
Número 10.
Helps control blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. This is because CLA 500 helps with insulin sensitivity.
Número 11.
Sight aid.
Número 12. Ayuda a producir insulina. Número 13.
Helps in fat loss, since CLA 500 can help reduce body fat.
Número 14.
Helps reduce abdominal fat and improve overall body composition.
Número 15.
Helps increase lean muscle mass.
Número 16.
Helps improve athletic performance by reducing inflammation and muscle soreness after intense exercise.
Número 17.
Helps energy recovery after exercise.
Número 18.
Improves cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease.
Número 19.
Antioxidant properties, helping to protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals.
Número 20.
Helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video to this channel. And if you like this video, I invite you to share it so that other people can also learn about this product.